Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can find top products on TikTok for dropshipping. The first website that I'm going to look at is called Niche Scrapper. Now you can find products over here, do market research, have marketing tools and resources. And this is one of those websites where it is by the sellers for the sellers from Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, and also eBay. To use Shopify free for 90 days, click in the description below and find the link over there. The #1 product research software trusted by dropshipping. From product scrapers, store analysis, hand-picked ad spies, and video makers as well. And all of this is available on nichescrapper.com. Take the word of hundreds of members getting results, and you could be one of them. The first thing that you need to do is register yourself on Niche Scrapper. By clicking over here, you'll be taken to the next page where you would have to enter your information, your email address, your password, and confirm your password. Once that is done, all you need to do is hit register and you're good to go. Once you have registered, you'll land on your dashboard. Now this is what your dashboard is gonna look like. The first thing that you need to do is head over to Ad Spy. Now when you click on Ad Spy, you'll get two options. The first one is TikTok, the second one is Facebook. Because in today's video, we're looking at the top ways to find TikTok videos to actually do drop shipping. So we're gonna select TikTok, we're gonna select the ad type and the sort by recently seen. You can also search for a product by the keyword. All you need to do is hit the keyword in. So let's say that we wanna search for a product called phone case. So when we put phone case, we'll be able to see the videos that people have uploaded about phone case. Now the main thing over here that you need to keep in mind is the fact that every single product that is being sold has a TikTok video, has a Facebook video, has someone that is actually promoting that particular product or service online, and you can easily find that product by searching it by the keywords. So when we press enter, you'll see all the different results that are going to be available for phone case. So these are all the different products that are being sold right now. As you can see, this product over here has 15,500 likes with 173 comments. This TikTok has 14,300 likes with 31 comments. This particular one has 20,500 likes with 56 comments, and this product has 18,400 likes with 169 comments, 263 shares, and 1.9 million views. You have to select the particular TikTok that's available over here that you want to do. When you click on shop now, it is going to take you to the next page where this particular product is going to be available. As you can see where all the different products are available, these are for 20 pounds that you can get, and these are products and phone cases that people are buying, and this is being promoted by the TikTok video. It is as simple and as straightforward as that, guys. And this is one of the best methods that you can use, which is the Ad Spy, by searching keyword searches. You can also search for something such as rings, and as you search for rings, you're going to get different results for rings that people are actually promoting on their TikTok. You can also find top niches. When you click on top niche, you'll be able to see the top niches that are available. For example, this year the top niche was mobile phone accessories, nails, art and tools, earrings, beads and jewelry making, and also pet products. So if you want to go and find a particular product in a particular niche, you can easily do that. You'll get your yearly sales that is going to be available, your weekly sales that is going to be available, and you can view the different products in this particular niche. I want to show you all the different videos that are available on TikTok that are doing drop shipping in this moment in time, and you can see the number of likes they have, the number of shares they have, obviously the number of views they have as well, and the comments that people are doing. You can clearly see the product that is being liked, that is being seen, that is being sold, that is being sought out after a lot of individuals. So this product over here has a 6.9 million views with 94.2 thousand likes, 583 comments, and 3,100 shares. Once we click on it, we'll be taken to the next page, obviously, where we'll be able to see the particular ad. Now this is an ad of the actual product that is being seen over here, which people are showing. So they're advertising this particular ad themselves. Now this is a particular page that is doing this, and obviously they're selling this particular product. So they're showing you that this has a market and obviously something that you could also benefit from. But we gotta find out, is this product really profitable or not? So we're gonna select and go back to Niche Scrapper over here, and we're gonna look at their landing page. When we click on this, we'll be headed over to their landing page. Now this particular product is for $149, but on a discount of 50%, this product is for $74.99. Now this has a lot of features available, like the color, the plug type, the Add HDMI cable for free as well. And as you scroll down, you can clearly see the results of this particular projector. Now this product is something that is sought out, but we gotta see if this particular site is actually making profit out of this or not. So we'll select the actual highpeakcode.com, and we're gonna go back to Niche Scrapper. When when we go to Niche Scrapper, we're going to head over to store analysis. Once we click on store analysis, we're going to put the name of this particular store over here. Now, once we put the name of the store here and we search for it, we'll be able to see the estimate traffic revenue they have, and obviously their rankings. So they're making $24,436 to $29,867 per month, and with a direct sale of 54.99, a search volume of 23.30, and a referral of 17.09%, and a social percentage of 5.62. And there are a lot of different products that are available on the store as well. So clearly they're making a profit from this particular product. So how do we do it? It's simple. We head over to find the product less than $150, and to do that, we'll head over to aliexpress.com. Once we get here, we're going to search for this product, which is going to be a TV mini projector. Once we put the name, we'll be able to see the search that is going to be available and all the different products that are available as well. Now we got to find out a project that's within our budget to ensure that we can increase the profit on it once we start selling it. So we'll scroll down and we'll find a product that is the most closest and cost effective for us. So once we find a product, we'll open that particular product. We're going to find this smart mini projector for $55.84, and once we click on it, we'll be able to see the whole element for it. There are 1,155 reviews with 3,354 orders as well, done with a 4.8 review. And as we scroll down, we will be able to see all the different elements from the description, from the customer reviews, and the specifications for this particular product. And obviously, getting it from AliExpress, you can lower your costs and increase your profit, because the margin is where you're gonna make money. It is as simple as that, guys. The more you buy, the lower the unit cost is gonna be. Once you select the product and you buy the product, all you need to do is head over to your TikTok, and once you head over to your TikTok, you'll be able to sell it the same way as being sold on Niche Scrapper, because Niche Scrapper is that platform that gives you a chance to get information about different products that are available that people are selling online, and you could be one of them, because as soon as you start increasing the number of people that view your video, you'll be able to increase the sales and convert those individuals to people that would actually buy your particular product that you've got from AliExpress. So the main element over here is that Niche Scrapper gives you a chance, an opportunity, a competitive advantage to help you find a product that is truly unique, that truly has an impact, that you can actually use and convert and turn into a profitable business. And having a product of this nature, you'll be able to create for yourself a business that is truly unique, and using the power of social media, you'll be able to get that across the world, anywhere in the globe, and start making a profit instantly. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, do let us know, and I'm going to put the link in the description below for a free 90-day Shopify account. You can click on it and use it for 90 days. And if you have any comments whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how to find top products on TikTok for dropshipping. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.